Welcome to all of you. Student, this is the first chapter of your Vistas book, English. The chapter name is The Third Level. So first of all, we will see what is the introduction and the summary of this lesson. So let's start it. So The Third Level by Jack Finney. Jack Finney is the writer of this chapter, and he wrote this chapter about the harsh realities of war. War has irreversible consequences that thus leaving people in a state of insecurities. Means here is a person whose name is Charlie, and he had reached somewhere else, yeah, you can say in the past. And when he consulted to a psychiatrist friend, his psychiatrist friend told him that this is all because of the insecurities, war, worries of the modern time. So it is also about modern days problems and how common man tends to escape realities by various means. In this story, a man named Charlie hallucinates and reaches the third level of the Grand Central Station, which only has two levels. Means here is a story about a man whose name is Charlie, and anyhow he had reached on the third level of the Grand Central Station, while the Central Station only contained only two levels. Now just see the summary, what the summary about this chapter is. So the story revolves around a 31st-year-old man named Charlie. मीन्स ये जो कहानी है एक 31 साल के व्यक्ति जिसका नाम चार्ली उसके आगे पीछे घूमता है. Who experienced some things weird, यानी उनके साथ कुछ weird experience होता है. One day after work coming from the subway, he reached the third level of the Grand Central Stations, which does not actually exist. यानी कि एक दिन जब when he returned from his office, anyhow he reached the third level of the Grand Central Station, while this Grand Central Station had only two levels. In fact, the third level did not exist at all. He reminisces the entire experience with his psychiatrist friend Sam. Means he told the entire account to his psychiatrist friend Sam. उन्होंने सारी कहानी अपने फ्रेंड को बताया जो कि एक साइकियाट्रिस्ट हैं, एक मनोवैज्ञानिक हैं. Charlie thought he experienced time travel and had reached somewhere in the 1890s, a time before the world saw two of its most deadliest wars. Means Charlie एक ऐसे समय में पहुंच गए थे जहां पर अभी भी दो वर्ल्ड वॉर्स was still to be happened, जहां अभी भी दो वर्ल्ड वॉर अभी तक नहीं हुए थे. As soon as he realized what time he is in, he immediately decided to buy two tickets to Glazebirg illusions, one for himself and the other for his wife. यानी जब उन्हें realize हुआ कि he had reached a good past time, so he tried to buy two tickets, one for himself and the other for his wife. Unfortunately, the currency used in that century was different, but misfortunate the currency that he had, it was not in the use at that time. Thus, the next day, he withdrew all his savings and got them converted, even if it meant bearing losses. So, what he did, the next day of the morning, he went to the shop and wanted to spend all his saving to buy the old currencies. He went looking for the third level but failed to find it. Now he again wanted to looking the third level, but this time he was failed to find it. It worried his wife and the psychiatrist Sam, who told him that he is a hallucination in order to take refuge from reality and miseries of the modern world, which is full of worry. Now, when he told all the experience and account what did he experience to his wife and to his psychiatrist friend, it was suggested by them that he is trying to escape from the realities of the modern world, worries and all the problems that generally happen to a common man. Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the Charlie thus resorts to his stamp collection in order to distract himself when he suddenly one day he find a letter from his friend Sam, who had gone missing recently. Now Charlie, who is also have a habit of stamp collecting, one day when he was looking into this stamp, he found a letter that was written by Sam. Sam, who had gone missing recently, and in the recent time, Sam also got missed. Sam wrote that he always wanted to believe in the idea of third level, and now that he is there himself, He encouraged Charlie and Lucia to never stop looking for it. Now, Sam, the psychiatrist, stopped the Charlie and wanted to suggest that there is no level, yeah, third level in the Grand Central in the or the New York. Now he himself in there, and he is by the writing a letter to the Charlie. He is advising them that he always wanted to be there, and he is find peace and happiness here, and also suggesting Charlie and Lucia that they never get failed. Stop looking for it. So student, here is the explanation of the third level. So let's see is the presidents of the New York Central and the New York New Haven and the Hartford railroads will sway on a stock of timetables that there are only two, but I say there are three because I have been on the third level of the Grand Central Station. Yes, I've taken the obvious step. I talked to the psychiatrist friend of mine, among the others. I told him about the third level at Grand Central Station, and he said it was a waking dream, wish fulfillment. He said I was unhappy, that made my wife kind of mad, but he explained that he meant the modern world is full of insecurities, fear, war, worry, and all the rest of it, and that I just want to escape. Well, who doesn't? Everybody I know wants to escape, but they don't wander down into any third level at Grand Central Station. So, student, here is given some word meanings. So, let's see it. Stack means a pile of objects या वस्तुओं का ढेर. Typical one that is neatly arranged, that is in a very good arrangement. Timetable, as you know, schedule, yeah, showing the time period at all. Departure and arrival times of train, buses, aircraft. It may be any regulations. Waking dream is and very passive, yeah, you can say involuntary dreams. Occurring means happening always, as like wander means walking, roaming, yeah, just doing walking at all. So the story begins with the mention of a third level. ये कहानी शुरू होती है एक थर्ड लेवल के बारे में बताते हुए. That exists on the Grand Central Station, which only has two levels in real, but reality the Grand Central Station had only two levels. The protagonist. So student, here is the word that is given. Protagonist means the character. Protagonist means होता है नायक, या you can say character या hero of the story. The protagonist, या you can say protagonist of this lesson is Charlie. Charlie himself is aware that even the presidents of New York Central and the New Haven and Hartford railroads would express great confidence in the existence of only two levels, but he himself has been to the third level. Now, Charlie, the protagonist of this lesson, is saying that all the New York, New Haven will be confident that there is only two level at the Grand Central Station. But what did I find? I find that there is another level also, and that can be said third level. Considering the entire scenario, Charlie, the protagonist, had a word with his psychiatrist friend. Now, after experiencing all these things, now he went to his friend Sam, who is also a psychiatrist, and told him all the account. He explained that Charlie was experiencing waking dreams, wish fulfillment, yeah, in other words, hallucination. Now his friend Sam is suggesting, yeah, advising that this is all only the illusion of the Charlie, and he's just trying to escape from the realities, and yeah, it may be his waking dreams that is now it's fulfilling. According to the psychiatrist Charlie was unhappy. The fact her wife did not like. Upon explaining further, it became clear that it is the burden of all the modern problems that is pushing him to experience the apparent perception of something not present. He tends to escape the reality. Charlie agreed with what his psychiatrist friend had to say, but he still found it a bit odd to have been to the third level of the Grand Central Station. So now the Sam, the psychiatrist, he told that Sam is worried about his wife, although this idea is did not like by the Lucia, the wife of the Charlie. When psychiatrists find that Lucia is not happy, then he explained everything that Charlie is trying to escape from the realities. He is no longer want to be in the present time, and that's why he is just imaging everything in his mind. So, and after explaining by his friend, yeah, Sam, who is psychiatrist, Charlie got agreed, but there is one doubt in his mind that then how he had been there in the third level of the Grand Central Station. But that's the reason he said that my friend all agreed now. Everything points to it. They claim my stamp collecting, for example, that's temporary refuse from reality. Well, maybe, but my grandfather did not need any refuse from reality. Things were pretty nice and peaceful in his day, from all I hear, and he started my collection. It is a nice collection too, blocks of four up practically even US issues, first day covers, and so on. President Roosevelt collected stamps too, refused the state of being safe, yeah, sheltered from pursue, danger, yeah, difficulty. Now Charlie begins to believe in the possibility that he has been experiencing all this to escape the harsh realities of the modern वर्ड. नाउ चार्ली को भी विश्वास होने लगता है कि यस इट मे बी हैपन, ऐसा हो सकता है कि वो वास्तविकता से भागने की कोशिश कर रहा है. बट हिज फ्रेंड एग्रीड टू इट एज वेल. Even his stamp collecting is sort of a asylum he resorts to in order to feel protected. Now, the one habit of the Charlie that he is love to collect the stamp. Yeah, it is his habit collecting stamp. Now, same said same the psychiatrist said that it is also a kind of example that show that he is trying to away from the realities. On the other hand, he starts thinking, but now, Charlie, who is thinking that otherwise, who take the point otherwise, he said वह कहता है कि his grandfather started his stamp collecting. But in those days, they had not seen the consequences of war. या there was peace, harmony and security. अब वो अपने फ्रेंड सैम से कहता है कि उसकी दादाजी को भी तो स्टैम्प कलेक्टिंग की हैबिट थी, बट वो तो अपने लाइफ में एकदम खुश थे. ही वॉज सो मच प्लेजर, हैप्पीनेस एंड हार्मनी इन हिज लाइफ. His grandfather must have not been insecure. The collection, moreover, was amazing, with blocks of four practically every US issues. Even President Roosevelt collected stamp. Now, Charlie presented example of the President of the America, Roosevelt, who also had the stamp collecting habit. Means Charlie only wanted to say that this is not the reality, is escape from the reality to collecting the stamp, because it is the habit of his grandfather as well as the president of the Roosevelt. Anyway, here is what happened at Grand Central. One night last summer, I worked late at the office. I was in a hurry to get uptown to my apartment, so I decided to take the subway from Grand Central because it is faster than the bus. So now the Charlie explaining that what exactly happened to him. अब Charlie explain करते हैं कि उनके साथ actually हुआ क्या था, and begins with how he chose to take the subway to his apartment instead of the usual bus after a late night shift. Now completing the late night shift, he went to the subway. He did this in order to save time. Just to save time, he did this. Don't know why this should happen to me. Means Charlie saying that I did not know why it also is only happened with me. मुझे नहीं पता था कि ये मेरे साथ ही क्यों हुआ. I am just an ordinary guy named Charlie. My name is Charlie and I am just a very common man, 31 years old, and he is 31 years old and was wearing a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat with a fancy band. And at that time he had wore a suit, a kind of suit and a straw hat on his head. I passed a dozen men who looked just like me, and I wasn't trying to escape from anything. And at time he passed from the several men's, women's, and he did not trying to escape from anything, anybody. I just wanted to get home to Lucia, my wife. Gabardine, a smooth, durable, twill woven washed cotton cloth. Now he just wanted to get his home to his wife, whose name is Lucia. So now Charlie describes that he himself as an ordinary man of 31, dressed in a tan gabardine suit and a straw hat with his fancy band. It was so ordinary that he could see other similar men at the station. He explains how he was in his normal state of mind, not wanting to escape from anywhere, All he wanted was to be with his wife Lucia at that hour. He still does not understand why this happened with him. I turned into Grand Central from Vanderbilt Avenue and went down the steps to the first level where you take trains like the 20th century. Then I walked down another flight to the second level where the suburban trains leave from ducked into the an arched doorway heading for the subway and got lost. That's easy to have been in and out of Grand Central hundreds of times. But I am always bumping into new doorway and stairs and corridors. When I got into tunnel about a mile long and came out in the lobby of the Roosevelt Hotel. Another time I came up in an office building for 46th Street 3 blocks away. So now Charlie comes to the part of the incident where he entered the Grand Central from the Vanderbilt Avenue and took the stair to the first level where one boarded trains like the 20th century. Then he went down another floor to reach the sound level from where the suburban trains leave. From there he entered an arched doorway and got lost. It was nothing unusual for him because even if he had come to that station 1,000 times, there were occasions he bumped into new corridors and doorway. Once he entered the wrong lobby and reached Roosevelt Hotel, and another time in an office building which was there 3 blocks.